Unfortunately, the river's a little too deep to cross. It's funny how people try to block off trails like that. Like thinking you can't get over that or move it. So about 2 weeks ago, we took the old bridge out right here and built a new one. It's a lot better. It's extremely muddy through here. Cleaned out all these trails about 2 weeks ago as well. Unfortunately, it's like so slick. About a month ago, we were in like a crazy drought. Now we're just getting like a ton of rain non-stop. There was a town close to where I live that the other day they got 6.5 inches of rain in one day. And that's kind of ridiculous. So I don't know if I've ever talked about why I have not ridden in the power lines right here, but there's people that live on the other side of the woods over there, and they try to claim that they own the power lines, which they do not, and they always call the police if you ride out there and everything, and it's really annoying. So I used to go out there all the time, but they've had cops sent to my house before trying to press charges when it wasn't even me riding, but they just knew that I rode, so they just tried to blame it on me. But as you can see, there's the old bridge all ripped up, and the new one's holding up pretty good. We had to dig it out a little bit deeper and wider for it to fit level, but it wasn't too hard to do. Oh wow. As soon as I just went across that, my tire just like slid out and hit the bank. Hitting all these roots while hitting the gas, it's like my tire just wants to slide out. I hate how people always come down here to just sit. So on the other side of the river where I usually go to ride, me and my friends actually cut out a lot of trails over there, but as I said earlier, the river's a little too high to cross, so I guess I'll have to wait to show you guys that in the next video. Wow, those ruts are bad back there. But I believe we're actually supposed to get some more rain tomorrow and the next day, so I probably won't be able to go over there and make a video for a couple days. So give me some time to clean up my bike and do a little maintenance on it. Don't really have anything major to do. Just need to change the air filter and check the radiator fluid and everything like that. So since I don't really have much area to ride right here, I guess I'm just gonna go clean my bike, and I will show you guys a before and after, so I don't bore you guys with riding the same spot for a little while. You can kind of see where my tire hit the bank right there. Also, it seems like I've gained a decent amount of subscribers off my last video that I made on this bike, talking about why I didn't buy the 21 CRF450R instead of this one, and I really appreciate that. So it looks like it's actually starting to rain right now. So I will show you guys a before and after of cleaning the bike if it doesn't start raining too bad. Wasn't even trying to do a wheelie. This bike just has so much power. Wow, feels like the rain's starting to pick up. So as I had just stopped riding, it had just started raining and the sky's somewhat blue, and it's still coming down a little bit, but rained on the bike a little bit, so it doesn't look as dirty as it did, but still pretty dirty. So just gonna show you guys a little before and after. So here's the bike all cleaned up after a quick wash. Unfortunately, I don't have a power washer, so I have to do it by hand, but I will be getting one soon. But she cleans up and looks like new again. And I actually did put a plastic cleaner and protectant on. And this is actually what I use right here. And it actually works really well. I've used it on all my bikes, so thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.